येस सर.
सर आज मिटींग कित्याक आशिल्ली तुमची हांगा सगळे एडवोकेट मधली?
See, all the members of Adhivakta Parishad, Goa have gathered today in High Court of Bombay at Panji bench to show the solidarity and also to support all those persons who have been killed in Pahalgam encounter by terrorist attack. We condemn the brutal attack by terrorists on our people in Pahalgam who are on holidays enjoying there. But it is unfortunate that such an unattended attack is being done, and particularly it is more serious by identifying a particular community. This is to be seriously taken, and we thought that we must come together to condemn it wholeheartedly and spread a message that we will not tolerate this type of activities anymore, and we give a firm message to all that we Bhartiya people, the Bhartiya Nagrik, will not tolerate this henceforth, and this is the last thing that they could do it. And we also request the government to take a firm and serious note of it and take measures to protect our people who are going to Kashmir for holidays, and not only Kashmir, to any other part of India, because we are a part of a free nation where we believe that all citizens are equal, where our constitution upholds the equality. And this type of attacks on our freedom, this attack on our constitution, and those people who talk about constitution must come forward now and condemn this attack and give support to all the citizens, to the government to take proper steps and measures. I thank you, all of you, for coming here and taking our message.
Okay.